So hello everyone, my name is Zulkarnain and welcome back to my channel. So in today's session, we will see what is Docker port mapping and how it works. Okay, so we will see the port mapping with the help of practical. So let's come on to the server on which we have already installed the Docker. So firstly, we need to understand why do we need Docker port mapping in this. So firstly, let's make a container. So I will simply create a container of the Nginx image. I will simply use the docker run -d, then I will use Nginx image. Okay, now my container is ready. If I type the docker ps, here you can see our container is running on port 80. But if I try to access my Nginx service on web browser with the help of my server IP, so as you can see, I'm not able to access my application on web browser. Why? Because I didn't use port mapping concept here. So for example, if you want to access your application on your base machine network or on your base machine IP, so you will have to use port mapping concept. So let me explain you how it works. For example, let's delete this container docker rm hyphen. I will delete this container. Now we will create new container again. I will use docker run, then -d. Here I will use new parameter which is called -p. -p means if I want to expose my container port on base machine port, so that time I will use -p. Okay, so I will give my host machine port firstly. So I want to expose my host machine port on 80 with the container port. Okay, now here is our container port and here is our host machine port. So then I will give the Nginx image. Now our container is ready. Again, if I try to access the application on same network with the same IP, so as you can see, here I am getting the response. I am getting this response from the container. Why? Because here I am exposing the port. So for example, if you want to run one more container on another port, so you can also do this thing. So here I will create one more container docker run -d and -p. Here I will use, because here I cannot use 80 port because it is already bind with my container. So I'll have to use different port. So I will use the 8090 with the 80. Then I will give the Nginx image. Now if I type again docker ps, so here you can see 8090 port bind with the 80. So if I like check again with the port 8090, so I am getting a response. Okay, so that's how docker port mapping works. On next video we will see the docker network, and don't forget to like and subscribe also. Thank you.